This section covers understanding the electronic parking brake in your Nissan Leaf 2. The EPB is activated by a button on the center console. This electronic system replaces the mechanical handbrake with software-controlled operation. The EPB relies on three key components: battery power for operation, software for control, and sensors for monitoring. The system monitors battery levels to ensure proper function. Here's how the EPB system connects various components, like the control switch, calipers, sensors, and modulator for safe operation. The electronic parking brake in the Nissan Leaf 2 uses electric motors to apply and release the rear brakes. Electric motors control the brake calipers at the rear wheels, providing precise pressure application. Activation occurs by pressing the dedicated EPB button on the dashboard, typically marked with a P symbol. Release happens automatically when the vehicle accelerates to up to 5 kilometers per hour, detected by speed sensors. Manual release can be performed by pressing and holding the EPB button or using a release lever. The system depends on the 12-volt auxiliary battery for power. Low battery voltage can lead to EPB malfunctions or failure to engage properly. Always verify the vehicle is in park mode before activating the EPB for optimal safety. The Nissan Leaf 2's electronic parking brake includes manual override options and important safety protocols to ensure reliable operation. For manual override, press and hold the EPB button while pulling the release lever. This allows direct control when needed. On steep inclines, always use the transmission's park function in addition to the EPB for maximum security. Never solely rely on the EPB. It works best when combined with other parking methods. The system includes audible and visual warnings, such as a red P or exclamation mark on the dashboard to alert you of any faults. Remember, the EPB is not a substitute for the transmission's park function. Always engage both for complete safety. Always prioritize safety by following these protocols to ensure proper parking brake operation. Nissan has issued software updates and recalls to address unintended electronic parking brake engagement in the Leaf 2, particularly for 2017 to 2022 models. These issues were often linked to battery voltage fluctuations or software glitches. To resolve these problems, over-the-air updates have been rolled out, allowing fixes to be installed remotely without needing a dealership visit. Regularly check the Nissan Connect app for available updates to ensure your Leaf 2's EPB stays current and secure. These updates improve EPB functionality and better integrate it with the vehicle's regenerative braking system, reducing false activations and enhancing overall performance. As updates download and install, you can monitor progress through the app or vehicle display. Low battery voltage is a common cause of electronic parking brake malfunctions in the Nissan Leaf 2. The EPB system relies on the 12-volt auxiliary battery, so ensure it's in good condition to prevent unexpected failures. In cold climates, sensor errors can occur due to freezing conditions. For pre-2023 models, consider installing a sensor upgrade kit to improve reliability in low temperatures. Always monitor the dashboard warning lights for any EPB faults. Look for the red P symbol or exclamation mark indicating issues that need immediate attention. Real-world examples show how Nissan Leaf 2 owners have faced and overcome electronic parking brake issues. Instances of sudden EPB engagement occurred, like in 2018-2021 recalls affecting over 200,000 vehicles, often causing minor collisions. Software patches have significantly reduced these incidents, with owner feedback showing an 85% decrease after updates. Cold weather failures, like frozen sensors in Canadian winters, prompted Nissan to issue winter-specific tips and sensor upgrades now standard in 2023 plus models. Proactive management, like regular app checks through Nissan Connect, can prevent problems before they occur. The electronic parking brake in the Nissan Leaf 2 is increasingly integrated with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS features. Features like automatic parking and hill hold assist work together with the EPB to enhance safety. For example, hill hold assist prevents the vehicle from rolling backward when starting on an incline, automatically managing the EPB. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that predict issues before they occur. These advancements use data from sensors to provide real-time alerts and reduce the need for manual intervention. Ultimately, these developments aim to improve overall vehicle safety and reliability. Experts from organizations like Edmunds and Automotive Safety Studies recommend incorporating hybrid mechanical backups in future EPB designs to address over-reliance on electronics. This ensures reliability even if electrical systems fail. Redundant systems are crucial for EV safety, providing multiple layers of protection against failures. This approach has been highlighted in NHTSA reviews and expert analyses. Prioritize regular maintenance to prevent issues. Monitor battery levels closely, as low voltage accounts for 70% of EPB failures according to Nissan reports. Heed warning signs on the dashboard. Look for indicators like red P or exclamation marks that signal EPB faults. Always use the park function in conjunction with the EPB for optimal safety. The transmission's park provides additional mechanical security.